Forget Paris. This is where travelers are heading in 2025. Welcome to Albania, a breathtaking hidden gem you didn't know you needed on your bucket list. Let's dive in. Picture this. Dramatic mountain landscapes, vibrant blue coasts untouched by crowds, and towns where history whispers through every cobblestone. Albania is where ancient ruins meet modern charm, all wrapped in warm Mediterranean vibes. You're not just passing through, you're stepping into a story. Starting point? The Albanian Riviera. Turquoise waters, pristine beaches, and charming towns like Ksamil will truly remind you why they call this region Europe's last unspoiled paradise. Plan your visit between May and September for the best weather plus fewer crowds. Next stop, Gjirokastër, a UNESCO World Heritage Site steeped in history. This stone city invites you to wander its medieval streets and explore hilltop castles. Hidden gem alert. Try byrek, a local savory pastry you'll be dreaming about later. And for the thrill seekers, the Valbona Rugova Trail offers some of the most scenic hiking routes in all of Europe. Standing atop those peaks? Yes, it's every bit as magical as it sounds. Pro tip: Albania is budget-friendly compared to other European destinations, meaning luxury and adventure are totally accessible, but don't wait, because Albania won't stay a secret for long. So, pack your sense of wonder and get ready to explore one of 2025's most underrated gems. Your passport to adventure starts here. Subscribe to Destination Travel for the ultimate travel inspiration.